I'm not going to waste your time. Here is a straightforward instructions on how to develop an attractive physique. Step 0. What does an aesthetic body mean? Each person has their own conception of the ideal body. However, when you really think about it, here is what I think. Being really buff is not necessary for an attractive physique. We don't want a very heavy building physique because we are not competing. Finding that ideal middle ground is the key. Imagine having lean muscles without the excess fat. Combined with slender waist and big shoulders, the distinctive V-shape is what draws attention. Step 1. Exercise routine. A regular exercise schedule is essential for developing the desired beautiful physique. You could guess that this means going to the gym daily, but that is myth. You only need to exercise each muscle twice a week to be in good shape. Internet, particularly YouTube, is rife with discussions on the ideal exercise regimens for an aesthetic appearance. While many routines are covered, personally, I like the full-body workout plan and the push-pull legs exercise. They've provided outstanding outcomes for me. A pro tip: stick with one routine for at least 2 months. If you don't see improvements after that period, then consider making a change. Step 2. Proper workouts. Once you've decided on an exercise schedule, selecting the appropriate workouts is the next challenge. But do not worry, I have a few tried and true favorites that enabled me to have that attractive figure. For the chest, the bench press is a traditional choice, involving the entire chest. In terms of the shoulder, targeting those deltoids is what the dumbbell shoulder press does best. Dumbbell bicep curls are great for the arms. Tricep dips, however, will strengthen the back of your arms. My main recommendation for the back is pull-ups, improving posture in addition to strengthening. The plank is the best exercise for the core. Forearms must not even be considered to be neglected. Curls on the wrist are crucial. Consider the lower body. Squats are unstoppable. They're the ultimate leg exercise. Want to level up your workouts? Don't forget to add a little more weight. Over time, add an extra rep or set, and don't forget to record your reps and sets. You can use it as a guide to push yourself harder. Step 3. Dietary recommendations. Believe me, no matter how hard you work out, you won't see the results you want without the right diet. But don't worry, you don't need a flawless diet plan. The goal is to make sure that every meal contains a balanced amount of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Protein between 1 and 2 grams, 3-4 g of carbohydrates. Fats ranging from 0.5 to 1 g every kilogram of your weight. To get protein, consider lentils, tofu, and chicken. Choose quinoa, sweet potatoes, and whole grains for your carbohydrates. And for those beneficial fats, avocado, nuts, and olive oil are best. And here's a golden tip: keep your diet simple. While maintaining a healthy diet is key. It's okay to indulge in your favorite junk food, but try to limit it to just once a week. Step 4. Supplements. When it comes to supplements, there are often too many options. However, a few come to mind from my experience. For an increase in muscle mass, I advise using creatine in your regimen. Additionally, it's a good idea to take multivitamins because from our meals frequently leave out nutrients. Another essential is fish oil, preventing injuries from occurring while exercising and ensuring the strength of our bones. While many choose whey protein, I believe in getting protein directly from our meals. Step 5. Rest and recover. Rest and recover aren't just about taking a break. They are essential to development. During these rest times, your body really grows and strengthens your muscles, not when you are exercising. Sleep plays a crucial role in this muscle growth, so make sure you get sleep 7 to 9 hours each night. Active techniques of recovery, like foam rolling and stretching, this can speed up the healing process, ensuring that you are ready for your next workout. In the journey to an aesthetic physique, every step counts, from workouts to rest. Stay consistent, and remember, your best version is just around the corner. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.